Hey everyone, Roy here, and I learned a few things today, so I wanted to share those with you. So number one, my banner here needs a little help. I think my profile needs a little help. Um, so I'm going to show you, number one, how to remove a background from a picture and how to build a more professional looking um, banner for your YouTube channel that looks good on all devices. So first, before I get going too far in this, if this video is informative to you, if you like it, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button and help the channel out. I appreciate it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to a site called remove.bg. This is a goldmine site. It's amazing. So I'm gonna just grab a picture from my other screen and drop it on here, and we'll see how it does. This one, I would recommend one with a more of a regular background. It didn't look like drag and drop worked very good, so let's refresh. Just go back to the site. I'm gonna try clicking on it. So upload image. Give me just a second here to bring this up. Okay, so I got my picture selected. There we go. It's doing a better job this time. So hey, this one, there was some stuff coming off my ear. It wasn't a very clean background, but look at that. It still did an amazing job. So, and then what you're going to want to do is hit the download button, and then remember where you save it so that you can grab it later. And I'm going to go... Alright, then the next thing you're going to want to do is go to Canva, and what you're going to want to do is up here you're going to want to search for YouTube, and you're going to want to go channel art right here. Now see how this one has this big bar in the middle? That's the kind of thing that you want to do. So we're going to go ahead and use that one, but I'm going to show you you can change a bunch of this stuff out. So give me just a second here. I'm going to type this stuff in. I'll leave it going. Alright, so you can change these fonts. There's quite a few fonts in here to choose from. That one looks good. Alrighty, and then you remember that picture that we got earlier? It's right here, so I'm going to drag it up there. There it is. See the background nicely removed there. So we're going to drag that over to here. Ooh, we don't want to do that. We're going to drag that over to here, shrink it down, throw me right there, and we actually want to scoot this over just a little bit. Scoot me over just a little bit. We're going to change out some of these pictures, so let's go to photos and let's search for laugh, because something about, part of the thing on my channel is jokes, so we're going to put, so let's see if we can get one. I like that one. And let's change the opacity of this so we can still kind of see the picture, maybe not too much. Alright, and then let's do like a laptop, because that kind of simplifies, making money online. That one looks okay. That one's alright. What about this? There we go. I like that. Okay, and then let's do Windows. See what it shows up with. Now let's try tips. Look, tips and tricks. Look at that. Okay, so there we go. Got a pretty cool looking background. We're going to go download. We're going to say JPEG. Download. And you got to remember where you save it again. Alright, so now we're going to go back to my YouTube channel. We're going to do a couple things here. See my picture there? It doesn't look so good. So first thing you're going to want to do when you're in your channel is you're going to want to go to the actual studio. So you do studio.youtube.com so that you can customize your channel. And you're going to come down here to customization. I made this a little simpler. You're going to go to branding, change your picture. We're going to grab that picture which has the background removed. There it is. Alright, so see that looks a lot better than the last one. There we go. And we're going to change the banner. I'm going to get rid of that old black banner and put this little more modern looking one up there. And see, this is why I was saying you need this little bar in the middle, because see how it says viewable on all devices, so it looks good on cell phones and tablets and stuff, and you can see everything about my channel just in that one little spot. And then, you know, if you're on a desktop you see more, if you're on a TV of course you see even more. So we're going to say done, and then you're going to say publish. Give it a second there to publish. Alright, and then we're going to come over here and view the channel. And pause that. Alright, so there you go. See? Looks a lot better looking picture. So to recap, you're going to want remove.bg. Removes background. It does a very good job even for pictures with sort of complicated backgrounds. And Canva. And search for YouTube banners, I believe is what it is. And again, if you found this video informative or helpful in any way, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. See you next time.